Look at this. You have opened thousands of these in your life. You twist it, you hear that satisfying crack, and you drink. But you have never actually looked at it. Why does every single plastic bottle cap have these exact vertical lines? You probably think they are just for grip. You are wrong. Those tiny ridges hide a masterpiece of extreme engineering, high-speed factory violence, and a safety mechanism designed to stop this piece of plastic from becoming a lethal projectile. Welcome to Hidden Everyday Stories. Let us start with the obvious myth: the human grip. Yes, if the cap were perfectly smooth, the moisture from a cold drink would make it nearly impossible to open. But the number of lines and their depth are not random at all. It is a precise mathematical calculation of friction and human torque. Engineers designed these exact ridges, called knurling, to interlock perfectly with the microscopic ridges of your fingerprints. They are essentially microscopic gears. When you grab it, your skin molds into these lines, allowing your hand to transfer maximum rotational force with minimum effort. But grip is only 10% of the story. The real secret happens before you ever buy the bottle. To understand the true purpose of these lines, we have to go inside the bottling plant. Imagine millions of bottles flying down a conveyor belt. The machines that seal these bottles do not have gentle human hands. They are completely brutal. They have to grab, twist, and seal hundreds of caps per minute at blinding speeds. If the caps were smooth, the metal claws of the machine would slip, crushing the plastic or melting it through pure friction. Those lines on the cap? They are the exact negative mold of the factory machine's mechanical gears. They lock together perfectly, allowing the machine to apply massive amounts of torque in a fraction of a second, sealing the liquid inside without destroying the cap. But the most fascinating secret is hidden underneath the lines, and it is literally a matter of safety. Carbonated drinks contain massive amounts of pressurized gas. If you unscrew a completely smooth cap, the sudden release of pressure could blow the cap right off, shooting it into your face at dangerous speeds. But notice what happens when you twist a lined cap. You use the outside ridges to turn it, but as you do, microscopic vertical slits on the inside threads allow the high-pressure gas to vent out safely before the seal is fully broken. You hear it as a hiss. The lines on the outside give you the control to release the pressure slowly, millimeter by millimeter. So the next time you open a bottle, look closely. You are not just twisting a cheap piece of plastic. You are holding a marvel of geometric precision, industrial strength, and pressurized safety. This is Hidden Everyday Stories. If you want to keep seeing the invisible world around you, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.